Oh! What? Holy... Okay.
Sebastian starts with a yellow Pyraminx V, making use of these two massive, blaringly obvious blocks. And what the normal person would do is insert this block, get a first layer skip basically, and then go straight into the last layer case. But what you can notice is that the last layer case actually starts with an R prime. So that first move in his scramble is canceled. So what he's actually going to do is start with the next move in the last layer case while he does the back tip. So he starts off the scramble like this, does the back tip in the U, finishes his algorithm, and then does a U move. His pickup is lightning fast because he placed the cube pretty close to his timer, and as soon as he grabs it, he instantly transitions from the home grip to a grip where he can do the B tip and the U move at the exact same time. And then he instantly transitions into this R move, which is actually a cancel into his last layer, finishes the last two moves with spamming TPS, and starts to let go of the cube to stop the timer before he even finishes his last turn. Slams his hands down, and that's how you get a 0.59.